news, we have the auto sales which are in focus. It's a mixed bag in the month of May after a strong performance in April. Sudarshan is joining in to tell us more.
So in today's session, if there is one sector which is a relative underperformer, and mind it, when I'm saying underperformer, still these stocks of this sector are up somewhere in the range of 2 to 4% against companies of other sectors are up to almost 10%. And the reason for this underperformance is the mixed sales that these companies have presented for the month of May. Talking about the overall sales have moderated in May after strong sales that we have seen for the month of April. Growth for passenger vehicles and two-wheelers have moderated, while commercial vehicles and tractors have seen an improvement. Talking first about four-wheelers, Maruti sales have missed estimates and are lower year-on-year. Total sales were down 2% year-on-year at 1.74 lakh units. Tata Motors total sales were 2% higher year-on-year but have missed estimates by 6%. Electric vehicle sales have dropped 4%, while passenger vehicles and CV sales were up 2% each. M&M passenger vehicles were below estimates, while tractor segment has outperformed. Auto has missed estimates by 5%, while tractor sales were up 5% versus estimate. And company says forecast of above normal monsoon has improved the overall sentiment. Escort's total sales were down 6% at 8,612 units, and companies say it sees an improvement in demand post-southwest monsoon. Coming to Ashok Leyland, total sales were up 12% and it was up 1% against Nomura's estimate. Coming to two-wheelers, Hero Moto total sales were below 4% against estimate and are down 4% year-on-year. And companies say it's focusing on the premiumization of its product portfolio. Eicher Royal Enfield sales have dipped 8% year-on-year and have missed estimates by 7%. And it was at 71,000 units against 77,400 units in the same month last year. Coming to Bajaj Auto, total sales have missed estimates as two-wheeler sales have dipped year-on-year. Total sales were at 3.55 lakh units and it's flat year-on-year and missed estimates by 4%. Last is TVS Motor. Total sales have missed estimates by 4%, but those sales were up 12% year-on-year, and scooter segment has outperformed motorcycle segment. Scooter sales were up 20%, while motorcycle sales saw a growth of 7%. So overall, sales for the month of May have seen a bit of moderation after the strong sales that we saw for the month of April.
All right, Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that. So that's about the auto space, a relative underperformer, as Sudarshan pointed out. Is that